versatility for Rassi is very important. And if we can veer off maybe to the versatility point, is that maybe why I think Evan Roos is continually overlooked,
Yeah.
because they might see him as a guy who can just play number 8. They
Yeah.
might not recognize. I think he can play blindside
You can. Yeah.
for me.
Mm.
Um, he's also had a couple of stints when Achieva
At
Daimani was still at
6.
Stormers at 6.
Yeah.
So, but I don't think they see him at test match level as a guy who can maybe fulfill that role.
Yeah.
Elrich Low. Elrich Low can do it. We've seen it. He
Mm.
can play 7 test at test level. He can play 8 at test level.
You can
Cameron
even
Hanna.
play lock.
Yeah, he can even play lock. Kobus Wiese at the start of the year played number 8 and he played lock ahead of Evan Roos in the test match. So I think that maybe we've been everybody speculating why Evan Roos doesn't get picked. But
Mm.
I think it could be because of the versatility issue.